Hey guys, it's me again. Today I'm going to show you some fixing process, riveting. Pressure riveting is a kind of fixing technique. It's often used to fix the inner lighting board and PCB on the shell. Yongu provides a variety of different riveting processes. Riveting studs, riveting screw, like blind hole riveting, riveting nuts, and caterpillar. Riveting studs are the most commonly used the way of through type. You can see a hexagon outside on the appearance, but it's not allowed to anodize same color with the product. The characteristics of the riveting screw are similar to the riveting studs, but the applicability is wider, and the diameter of the bottom hole only 3 mm. Blind hole riveting is often used for products which require good appearance, because the outline is not visible on the outside surface. It can be anodized same color with the product. However, this process demands the thickness must be greater than 3 mm. Riveting nuts are often used to some tiny thickness plate, which has a large load and force, and the direct tapping on the plate cannot be satisfied. Caterpillar weight are divided into single pass copper and double pass caterpillar. The outer surface of the two are the same. The difference is that the single one has a nut on the inner, while the double one doesn't. This process is usually used when the circuit board cannot be fixed with riveting studs. That's it. Thank you for the time.